2022 Nissan Rogue Sport, looks, tech and everything else we know about the compact crossover. Nissan's Rogue Sport, named Qashqai in global markets, including in Europe, is a popular small CUV, yet despite selling well, it's in dire need of a serious makeover. Fortunately for its loyal customer base, the Japanese automaker is readying the next chapter of the Rogue Sport story. It will join a slew of redesigned offerings such as the regular 2021 Rogue, X-Trail, Pathfinder, Navara, Frontier, Aria and 400Z sports car in a rejuvenated Nissan lineup. Test mules of the redesigned small crossover have recently been snapped by spy photographers revealing its sleek new proportions. But more importantly, how will it look without the camouflage? Let's peel back those eye-straining patterns and illustratively explore further. Sharp new attire. Like the latest Juke and larger Rogue, the Sport wears a bold new frontal graphic with dynamic, boomerang-shaped LED headlamps, V-motion corporate grille and clamshell hood. Obligatory SUV effect plastic cladding is evident around the lower air dam, wheel arch moldings and rocker panels, whilst the view from the side is chiseled and taut without being overly fussy. There are hints of Nissan's Aria EV towards the rear, with upswept rear quarter glass and heavily raked sail panels with contrasting black trim. Thin LED tail lights stretch horizontally across the hatch, although they won't be as radical looking as those seen on other Nissans of late. A better place to be inside. One criticism of the current car is its cheap and not so cheerful interior. Reassuringly, Nissan is putting a lot of effort into their latest crop of interiors, and the Rogue Sport will benefit immensely. Expect much of the same content and styling to filter down from the bigger Rogue/X-Trail. Goodies will include a digital instrument cluster, heads-up display, HUD, 9.0-inch floating tablet-style infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay, surround view monitor and wireless charging. An enhanced version of Nissan's ProPilot will bring adaptive cruise control and improved lane-keeping abilities that use navigation-based data to preemptively reduce speed for motorway curves and junctions. This level of driver assist functionality is often reserved for luxury cars. It adds another layer of safety to complement the expanded rollout of Nissan's Safety Shield 360 suite of driver aids. Under the skin, the Rogue Sport will ride upon an updated version of the CMF-C/D platform that underpins a myriad of other Nissan, Mitsubishi, and Renault products. A safer safety cell and retuned suspension will improve occupant protection and dynamic abilities, as will the availability of all-wheel drive. Gasoline power will be the primary source of propulsion from launch. The current model's 2.0-liter inline-4 will carry over in tandem with Nissan's not-so-loved continuously variable transmission, CVT. Conjecture indicates that 48-volt mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid options will be available down the track, highlighting the Japanese marque's push towards electrification and the phasing out of diesel in specific markets. Rivals and reveal. Nissan's small crossover certainly won't have it easy as it sits in a hugely dense segment occupied by worthy alternatives. These include Mazda's CX-30, Honda's HR-V, Subaru 15/Crosstrek, Toyota CHR, Kia Soul and Seltos, Hyundai Kona and Venue, Skoda Karoq and Volkswagen T-Roc. We anticipate an official debut to happen later this year, and sales to commence in 2021.